Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add two or more animation in one photo or video in CapCut PC. So just going to select your video that you want to edit and then drag to the track. And then if you want to add the animation, just click animation and then select this one that you like. But if you want to add two or more animation in one clip, you can split the clip before, for instance. And for first one, you can add in animation. Just for instance, I'm going to select this pattern, and then so in the second one, just select this combo, and then for instance I'm select this one, and the third one you can select this out animation, and I'm going to select this sped up. So here we go. Okay, it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciating a short thanks. Bye bye.